Let's take a look at some circles. The equation of the circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where the center is h comma k, and of course the radius is r. So for example, find the center and radius. Find center and radius of circle. Let me use a different pen. I don't like this one. Where we have y squared. Oops, not y squared. Let me start again. We have x plus 1 squared plus y squared equals 25. There you go. Okay, what is the center and what is the radius? The center, if we're looking at our general equation, the center in this case would be -1 comma, now since we don't have no k here, that would be 0. -1 comma 0, and the radius is the square root of 25, which is 5. Okay, so let me write the equation of a circle when we have a center which is a -2, 5 with a radius of 7. Okay, so the general equation, x minus 8, so we're going to write x plus 2 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals r squared. Since r is 7, r squared would be 49. Okay, let's look at one more where we have x squared plus 6x plus y squared plus 8y equals 0. Now if our equation is of this form, we have to complete the square first. So in other words, we have all our x terms together. We're going to add something here to make that a perfect square trinomial, and I didn't leave much room, but we're going to add something to the other side, to the y terms, and what we do to one side we have to do to the other sides. So how do we complete the square? We take the middle coefficient 6 and divide it by 2. Let me just write a little sidebar here, which is 3. 3 squared is equal to 9, and that's what we're going to add here. Okay, now 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 squared is 16, which goes right here. So what we did add was a 9 and a 16. We have to add that to the other side as well. Now we go ahead and we factor our perfect square trinomials, and they x squared plus 6x plus 9 factors into x plus 3 squared. Now we're going to factor y squared plus 8y plus 16. That factors into y plus 4 squared, which is equal to 9 and 16, 25. This is the standard equation of the circle. I could ask one question. I could be asking you, what is the center and the radius? The center would be, in this case, make sure that you change the signs of our h and k, -3, -4, and the radius, the square root of 25, which is 5. Here we go. Some problems about